Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is here Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and today I have filmed this gorgeous makeup look which I have done light blue smoky eyes. So yeah, if you like my channel, please do subscribe, share, and also comment down below what kind of different looks you want me to do. So let's get started. So first, for priming my face or prepping my face, I'll be using the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer all over my face. This is a very good moisturizer if you are looking for one. Then I'll be using the Swis Beauty Liquid Highlighter on my collarbones and also on my shoulders to just make it pop out a little bit. Then I am just blending it out with a stippling brush. You could use your hands too. Then I'll be using the Swis Beauty Illuminating Primer all over my face in the shade 02. So I'm just applying that on my face and buffing it in with the same stippling brush. It's an amazing glowy or dewy primer if you are looking for one. Then I am going to use the PAC Brow Pomade in the shade 03. It's actually the Super Brow Cream, but it behaves like a pomade. So yeah, I'm just going to outline my brows and fill it in and brushing them through. Then I'll be using the Swis Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 06. I'm just applying a dot of concealer, and then with a flat shader brush I am going to clean up my brows. I'm not using any extra concealer, I'm just using the little concealer which I had put on my eyelid, then blending it out. Then I'll be using the SFR Color Hated with Love palette and using this aqua blue color from the palette. I'm going to pack it on my crease and blend it out with this brush. This deeper aqua blue shade from this palette again, and I am going to place that on my outer V as well as exactly below a little bit on my crease and a little bit below my crease, and blend it out with the blending brush. Using this ocean blue light shimmer shade from the palette, I'm going to apply that all over my lids with the help of a flat shader brush, and it's a very beautiful shade. Then I'll be using the Cuffs and Lashes liquid liner in the shade Pitch, and I am going to draw a nice winged liner on my eyes. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay liquid foundation. This is in the shade 310. I'm going to apply that all over my face. So this is a very beautiful full coverage foundation. A review is already up on my channel, and also a wear test. So if you want to check, you can just go and check it out. And then I'll be using the Swis Beauty liquid concealer again and apply that near my inner corners and at the side of my wings, and just blending it out. Swis Beauty powder to set everything. This is the prime and set translucent powder. I forgot to show the powder in the camera. Next I'll be using this Essence brow mascara and applying that on my brows to get that beautiful structured brows. Then for my bronzer, I'll be using the Milani XL bronzer in the shade 01. So I am going to bronze up my face just a little bit. Next I'm going to use all the same shades on my lower lash line and just smoke it out. I am using all the shades which I had used earlier. Then I'm going to use a blue gel liner and tight line my lower lash line. Then using the Midnight Sparkle eyeshadow palette by Swis Beauty in the shade 02, I am going to mix the blue and the silver shade and put that on my inner corners. For mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Push-Up Drama Falsies mascara. With that, I am going to coat my lashes with lots and lots of mascara. Then for my lashes, I'll use the Pack 59 eyelashes, and then I'll be using the blush. This blush is by SFR color in the shade Coral Orange. I'm going to use that and apply that on my cheeks. Then for my highlighter, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution X-Soft highlighter palette and use this goldeny bronzy kind of shade from the palette and apply that on my cheekbones and all the points where I usually highlight. For lipstick, I'll be using the Swis Beauty nude lipstick or bullet lipstick in the shade 222 hot nude. It's a very beautiful light pink nude color. It's a beautiful MLBB kind of shade. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and also comment down below what different looks you want me to do.